I introduce to myself. My name is Dean Mahinay, BTET 1A. How cope up with mental health issue like depression, anxiety, or suicide. Depression is more than just feeling down or having a bad day. When a sad mood lasts for long time and interferes with normal everyday functioning, you may be depressed. Depression is a mental health disorder that can affect you think, feel, and act. It can make it difficult to perform daily tasks such as going to work or school, maintaining relationships, or taking care of self. It can also affect your physical health and lead to symptoms such as trouble sleeping, changes symptoms such in appetite, and physical aches and pains. Depression is a serious condition that can impact all aspects of your life. It can important to seek help if you think you may be experiencing symptoms of depression. Treatment options include therapy, medication, lifestyle change, and support from loved ones. With the right treatment, it is possible to manage depression and improve your quality of life.